What's up guys, this is Masi. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to multiply square roots. So the first example I want to do is square root of 20y squared times square root of 5y cubed. Answer will be square root of 20 times 5 times y squared times y to the power of 5, which will be 100. That's y to the power of 3. So y to the power of 2 times y to the power of 3 is going to be y to the power of 5 now. Square root of 100 is 10. Instead of y to the power of 5, I can write y to the power of 4 times y. So it will be square root of y to the power of 4 times square root of y. Then square root of y to the power of 4 is just simply y squared. So we have 10y squared root y. Next example, we have root 6x cubed times root 3x. Answer is square root of 6 times 3 times x to the power of 3 times x, which will be 18x to the power of 4, and then we can separate it. Square root of 18, square root of x to the power of 4. 18 I can write it as 9 times 2, so it's going to be square root of 9 times square root of 2. Square root of 8x to the power of 4 is x to the power of 2. Then it will be, this one is going to be 3, so we have 3x squared root 2. Next example, we have root 2y cubed times square root of 50y squared. Answer is 2y cubed times 50y squared. It will be 100 y to the power of 5, which is going to be 10 square root of y to the power of 4 square root of y. That makes it 10y squared root y. Next example, we have square root of 12y squared times square root of 3y to the power of 5. Answer will be 12 times y squared times 3 times y to the power of 5. That makes it 36y to the power of 7, which is going to be square root of 36 is just 6. Square root of y to the power of 6 times square root of y. Then it's going to be 6y cubed root y. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you.